Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna provide you the promo codes for Anime Defender. So, before watching the video, please do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Jackie Gaming, and hit the bell icon to get notifications on our new videos. So, without wasting time, let's get started the video. So, the first code number one is MERRYCHRICSTMAS, and the second code number 2 is HOLLYDEFENDERS. So guys, use these code and get rewards. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.